guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve LeetCode questions. This is a new feature in LeetCode website called Quest. We have a different set of problems arranged in levels and their different topics. You can check the website out and let's get started. Question number 1. Set mismatch. You have a set of integers s which originally contains all the numbers from 1 to n. Unfortunately, due to some error, one of the numbers in S got duplicated to another number in the set, which results in the repetition of one number and loss of another number. You are given an integer nums representing the data status of the set after the error. Find the number that occurs twice and the number that is missing. Return them in form of an array. Okay, this question is easy. Let's declare an array. We will use XOR to find the repeated number and sum of n numbers formula to find the missing number. And it is now let's find the sum of all numbers. Let's check. Okay, I made a typo. I think I made a mistake here. Let's check it. Of course, we can use a set here. So I need to find something here. Subtractor 3, that is the missing number. Okay. Then I'll use a set. If the number is not present set means I will add the number. If the number is already present in the set, means this is the number that is repeated, so answer of 0 will be that number. And we can break out of the loop. So we need to find a total sum here anyway. So I will rearrange the length. Total sum minus sum. Zero. Then it shouldn't be here. Then it will be sum plus equal to num. Let's sum it. Okay, finally completed.